That man said straight up, don't subscribe to the channel. How rude. I'm trying to get to the people that actually want to play blackjack or actually want to win, for entertainment purposes only.
You win.
If you want to win. Excuse me. I'm getting flushes. Come on, 7. 5, 3, 7. There it is. Plus.
You win.
One of them. Side bet. I don't trust the main. Okay. We could still lose here. 18 for the dealer. 20. How about that? Oh, he lowered the bet and lost. Hey, pay attention to that. Why don't you pay attention to when I raise the bet, I get a 20. I lower the bet, I lose. Why don't you pay attention to that aspect?
You win.
Right? You think because you know basic strategy that you're going to win. Look, it's a 16. I'm going to stand. Oh my God. It's the end of the world. I would have busted if I took that 9. The dealer won anyways. It didn't matter. It didn't even matter, dude. It did not matter at all. That hand is irrelevant to me. 21. That just happened.
You win.
Oh, blackjack. He stood a 16. Ooh, perfect pattern. Ace. 8. Oh, stood a 16. You know damn well the next card is not going to be good for us.
You win.
I bet $75. Want to bet? I raise. Okay. 6, 7. Okay. We can run that bet back though. Ooh, another pattern, my friend. 5. Ooh, team. Oh my gosh, dude, you put the 5 late. You put the 5 late.
You win.
Give us some money back. $100. I feel confident. Oh my God, would you look at there? The first time I bet $100, I get a blackjack. That's the highest bet I made in this video, and I got a blackjack. Was that luck or is that calculation? I don't know. You tell me. You be the judge. You be the judge. I stand 16s, but I raise and get a blackjack. You think that's
you win.
Think I just raised because of intuition? Like, I'm not like trying to be like mean or anything like that, but it's just like, come on, bro. You have to ask yourself.
You win.
In some situations, is it schizophrenia or is it you really hear you? It's really ghosts. There's real energy out there speaking to you. Which one is it? Is it intuition when I'm raising, or is it calculations? Which one is it?
You win.
Come on, man. Okay, I'm scared. 19 for the dealer. 20. See? 16 versus 7 for the dealer is not good. Should have raised there, but it's okay. I'm just chilling. No need to rush things.
You win.
We raise. It's supposed to be 25, dude. What's happening, bruh?
You win.
I was supposed to raise a lot more than that. Ooh, perfect pair. Let's get it back. Get it back. We're gonna stand.
You win.
We should see a king or a 6 in this round. There's the 6. Come on, bro. I'm I'm really trying to show y'all like this is I know what's going on in the deck sometimes, you know. Sometimes I kind of know.
You
And
win.
y'all think just cuz I stand a 16 that's the end of the world, bro. Which is crazy. Bro, a 16 is just
You
a bad
win.
hand. So you're saying if you get a 19 and the dealer has a 20, you have a hard 19 and the dealer has a 20. What the hell are you going to do? What are you going to do in that situation? You can't do a damn thing in that situation. So when I get 16s, I can't do a damn thing in that situation. I don't care about it. I don't care about it. Like it is what it is. It's a bad hand that I don't care
You
about.
win.
I don't want. When I raise the bet and I get a 16, I'm just gonna stand, bro. But we try to stay away from those situations. When I raise the bet and get a 16, I'm
You
gonna
win.
stand. If I raise the bet, and if I don't raise the bet and get a 16, I absolutely thought I was gonna lose the hand to begin with, and I don't give a fuck. Like right now, I don't expect to win. I bet lower than I'm normally betting. I don't expect to win this hand, but we won the hand somehow. I don't know. It's a
You
little bit of
win.
profit. All right, I'm gonna raise the bet here, right? I think I'm gonna win here, right? Not intuition, it's calculations. I'm gonna double down. Ooh, even more money on the table. You got a bust. No four. No four. Got a bust. Put more money.
You win.
Win. When I raise, I want to win. I'm telling you. I'm just trying to ride the wave. Is it a wave?
You win.
And I'm going to run the bet back. 16. Uh-oh. We're going to stand. Who gives a shit? Blackjack. It didn't matter if I double down, hit, split, got a 5. I could have pulled a 5 and still lost. Does not matter. I don't care. 12 versus 7. You got to hit that, bro. I'm standing. No more. I missed. Okay? I take a big card. If I take a small card, it was for the dealer to bust. Y'all got to understand that, bro. It's too in-depth. People don't want to go in-depth with things. They don't want to go in-depth with what I'm trying to say. It's like it's almost too complicated for somebody to comprehend what I'm doing. Ooh, that was supposed to be a straight. Stand it. Lose $10 or we lose 30. We lose 10.
You win.
I'm gonna run that bet back. We need to hit a sider here. Come on. 18 got there. Ooh.
You win.
All right, let's bet 115 on the sides. $100. Oh no. No, what happened? How is that even possible? Right here. Bang. Bang. We raised 100 and got a 20. Oh my god, I stand a 16. Does it matter? When I raise 100 and get a 20, does it matter that I stand a 16, bro? Come on, man. Come on, bro. It doesn't matter, dog. It doesn't matter. Who cares? Who cares, bro? Who cares about a 16, bro? Stop that, bro.
You win.
When you're shooting free throws at the line, who cares about that guy waving "you suck" in the crowd, bro? Who cares about it? Nobody's worried about that. It's just irrelevant to the situation, man. Like, it doesn't matter.
You win.
Standing 15, it doesn't matter, bro. It matters when we raise the bet and we get the 21s and the 20s. That's what matters in blackjack. Wins, W's, 19s, 20s, and 21s. That's what matters in blackjack, bro. 16s are just, you fell out of bounds somehow. You just got a bad hand right there. And we try to calculate when we're going to get a bad hand, dude. So when you do get a bad hand, you just bet low. Oh, I'm gonna lower the bet. Why? Because I think I'm gonna lose. We got a side bet though. Let's double the money anyways.
You win.
Still profit. I'm gonna run that bet back because I feel like I'm gonna lose. Still profit. No.
You win.
We lost $5. It's a setup though. It's a setup. They want me to raise. I'm just gonna keep the bet back. Right here. 14. I'm gonna stand. I felt like I'm gonna lose for real. Who cares? Now I raise a little bit. 4, 5, 6. We're gonna double down. I raise. Double down. We raise. Bust. Nope. It's a push.
You
We'll take
win.
it though. It's profit. Alright. We just run it back. This is the normal bet size. Missed the 3. 6. 16. What are you gonna do? Who cares? Keep it pushing, bro. Keep it pushing. Alright, I'm gonna lower the bet. You feel what I'm saying? It's not in my favor. Lower the bet. Now I'm gonna raise it because I'm banking on a back-to-back 10. Oh my god. How hard is that?
You win.
How hard is that, guys? Use logic. See, when I was studying the deck and blackjack,
You
I was
win.
like, why is it mother effers lower their bet, right? And they get a 20 because of what happened. The dealer pulls 21. And the next round, you're like, oh my god, the dealer's catching fire. I'm going to lower my bet. And then you get a 20. Isn't that some fucked up stuff? Excuse my language. Isn't that some messed up stuff? Where the dealer pulled 21 on you, and then makes you want to bet the minimum, and then on the minimum you get a 20 or a blackjack. Hey, let's use your freaking head, bro.
You win.
Oh, don't subscribe, bro. Come on, man. Y'all want to see degenerate people lose. That's who y'all want to subscribe to? Lose? I'm trying to help people that like to gamble. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all want to give praise to people that don't know really what they're doing, bro. Like, yeah, they know basic strategy, dog. But I know. I'm not even trying to be cocky when I say this, bro, but it's advanced blackjack, bro. This is like beyond some shit, bro. Not even just basic stuff, bro. It's deeper than what you think it is.
You win.
We just keep the same bet. Ooh, perfect pair flush. Wow. See, you ride the wave till you get a side bet. Most people bet so big that they don't give their chance to allow themselves to get a side bet. You don't have that play. What am I trying to say? The length of play time because you're betting too big. You're shortchanging the chance for you to get a good side bet because of your bet sizing.
You win.
I'm at 1,000. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna play one $5 hand, no side bets. We're gonna get suited trips, and I'm gonna be mad. Almost. What? That was almost trips though. See right now. What is it? Money management, right? This is a double down hand, 100,000%. But I don't want to drop below 1,000. You gotta be disciplined. You gotta be disciplined. I'm just gonna hit it. 19.
You win.
We're gonna bet one more time. $5 hand. Stand. Anytime the dealer can bust, stand. Nope. We got one more shot. $1,000 hand right here. $1,000. $2,000 hand. 20. $2,000 hand. Bust. Oh, we got murked. That's why we didn't do that. But we got the 20. See, there's nothing you can do about that. All I'm looking for is 19s, 20s, and 21s, correct? So whatever the dealer does after that, that's out of my control. But I did the right thing. If I want to bet 1,000 and get a 20, that's where that 1,000's supposed to be. At that 20. $1,000 19 versus 6. Whatever the case may be, bro. Oh, but don't subscribe because I don't know what I'm doing and I stand on 16s. But we just ran up a bag. But I don't know what I'm doing though. Who cares, bro?